Here I win the kids' hostel. And here goes another school building. And here goes your office. Today onwards, your school is a part of the Gaurav Public School. From now on, everything in the school will be in a different style.
Who threw out our belongings? What is this happening?
Sorry, kids. It's not your hostel anymore. We've made some arrangements for you in the corridor.
No entry in the playground?
I know who is behind all this. Enemy's plans will fail under Shakun's magic spell. Vroom, vroom, patak. Vroom, vroom, patak. Vroom, vroom, patak.
Bablu, wake up. Guys, what happened to you?
They are all lost in a deep trance sleep, and only I can wake them up.
First you took away our school, and now my friends.
If you love your friends so much, then defeat me at my own game and save them. Your plans will fail. I'm gonna ring Chrissy Boy's bell. 1 + 1 is 2.